Assalamu alaikum Noor. Welcome back to the wonderful world of Quran.
Walaikum assalam HIDAIA. It's great to see you.
Can you recite the fourth ayah for us?
Sure. I would love to. The fifth ayah of Surah Al-Fatiha reads as Ihdina Salat al-Mustaqim.
Ameen. Now this ayah is roughly translated as, guide us to the straight path.
And now we're going to learn the root words, aren't we?
Yes, certainly. The root word for the first word is HIDAIA. It means to lovingly guide someone. The second word of this ayah is derived from sword raw and tor. It means to be straight or to go straight. The word sir in the ayah refers to the path or the way. The third word is derived from kaf, waw and mim. It means to stand up or to be upright. The word mustaqim in the ayah means straight, upright or steadfast. Now the ayah can be translated as, guide us lovingly to walk on a straight path that does not deviate.
Wasn't that super as usual? I am loving my Quran lessons now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more amazing stuff.